Hi viewers, welcome back on my channel Airlines 619. In this tutorial, I am going to talk about how to insert a blank row in your data table when you working on huge data. I personally found that in Google Trend, the billions of people searching on this topic. So without wasting time, let's switch on into the laptop screen.
Hi viewers, welcome back on my laptop screen. Here I taken the data from Fahim Builders and Developer Consultant Company. From this company I taken this data, serial number, name, designation and department names. This helper column I will show you later what to do here. Okay, here I want to insert a blank row after third row, means after 3 row I want to insert a one empty row here and after 6 here. Okay, most of the users usually follow this approach. Let me show you. They select like this and right click insert. After 6, right click and insert. Suppose if you have 500 records or 200 records, in that scenario if you insert like this, it consumes huge time and huge efforts. To sort out this issue, I will show you one smartest way. Let me show you. Control Z. Okay, just copy this serial number 1 to 16 and paste into the helper column. Control Shift V. Okay, viewers, I request you please focus here. You want a one blank row should be inserted after each 3 row. Okay, each 3 row means after 1, 2, 3, the blank row should be inserted here. Okay, just type it here 3 plus 3, 6 up to 15. Okay, drag it. Now select these numbers and use from your keyboard shortcut key Alt A S A. That's it. Here you can see after each 3 row, one blank row has been inserted. Viewers, if you want to insert a one blank row after 2 row, you can follow this same approach which I show you. Let me show you again. Control Z. Okay, instead of this 3 and 6, you can use here 2 plus 2, 4 up to 16. Okay, just drag it to 16 and select these numbers. Use shortcut key from your keyboard Alt A S A. That's it. Viewers, if you want to delete this blank row from this data table, most of the users usually they select and control minus. They will do like this. See, for this also I will show you one shortcut. Select this all, press from your keyboard Control G, click on special and click on blank and click on OK button. Now the blank rows has been selected. Just right click on that cell and click on delete and delete rows. You can able to see here the blank row has been terminated from your table. Now we don't want this helper column. Just select and press from your keyboard shortcut Control minus. That's it.
I hope viewers you have understood this tutorial about how to insert a blank row in your data table. I want your comments on which topic you need a tutorial. I will meet you in next tutorial with new topic. Until then, stay home, stay safe, be happy. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.